wabarakatuh. Welcome to my class with me, Miss Yesi. Oke, video kali ini kita buat untuk lanjutan dari video sebelumnya. Kalau sebelumnya kita sudah membahas tentang outdoor sport. Nah, dalam video kali ini kita akan membahas tentang life with pets. Siapa yang suka pets? Ada yang suka pelihara kucing mungkin? Atau doggy? Atau burung? Atau apa? Kan banyak sekali ya jenis pets yang bisa dipelihara. Kebanyakan orang kan pelihara kucing. Nah, kali ini kita akan membahas tentang life with pets. Buat Anda yang ingin menonton video ini, silahkan tonton hingga akhir. Semoga ilmunya bermanfaat. Jangan lupa untuk like, comment, and subscribe supaya tidak ketinggalan untuk materi-materi berikutnya. Baik, kita langsung saja. Nah, sebelum kita ke materi, Miss Sisi punya pertanyaan yang harus dijawab di kolom komentar. Apa itu pertanyaannya? Pertanyaannya adalah, what is the good or bad about keeping pets? Nah, kira-kira apa keuntungan dan kerugian? Bukan keuntungan dan kerugian sih. Apa manfaat dan buruknya kalau kita memelihara ada peliharaan hewan kira-kira ya? Kira-kira apa? Nah, kalau misalnya kita pelihara kucing, apa kira-kira? Apa badnya, apa goodnya? Silahkan dituliskan di kolom komentar. Oke? Kita ke listening, bagian B. Listen to the class report and complete the statement. Then circle the part that explain how or why. Listen to the class report and complete the sentences. Jadi you dengarkan this class report dan complete the sentences. Then circle the part that explain how or why. Jadi you lingkar bagian yang menyatakan itu how and why. For example, number 1, dogs are special pets to have because they are friendly. Nah, jadi yang bagian yang how dan why-nya adalah because they are friendly. Nah, ini yang harus you lingkar. Jadi isinya di situ ada 2, special and because. Nomor 2, 3, 4. You dengarkan. Okay, listen.
Unit 5. Life with Pets. Track 30. Listen to the class report.
I'd like to tell you about how dogs are special pets to have. Dogs make good pets because they're friendly and keep us company. They can protect us by guarding the house and barking if strangers come too close. They're also fun to play with because they're always happy. They play by running or catching a stick.
Okay, listening, part C, complete the statement. Ini ada 4 kata di dalam box yang bisa membantu you untuk menjawab 4 buah pertanyaan ini. Jadi ada 4 gambar di sini. Kira-kira dari 4 kata yang ada dalam box ini yang mana yang cocok? For example, number 1, walking your dog is a good way to bla 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 bla. Silakan dipilih satu dari 4 kata tersebut untuk melengkapi yang kosong. Oke? Kita ke bagian D. Recording 31. Listen to the class report and take notes. Jadi ini ada 2 kolom, ada why statement and how statement. Okay. Dalam why statement ini, silakan nanti you dengarkan apa yang disampaikan speaker. Kira-kira ini reason kalau why ya. Why? Because. Ya, dimulai dengan kata because, berarti masukkan ke dalam why statement. Sedangkan how ini lebih kepada the way, ya. Bagaimana caranya? Nah, for example ya, bisa kasih contoh. Untuk kolom why statement misalnya isinya adalah because they get us to exercise more. Pets are good. Pets are great, ya. Kemudian how statementnya isinya misalnya contohnya, by walking or running with dog every day, we move our use muscles, help us stay healthy. Nah, itu salah satu contohnya. Nanti silakan dengarkan apa yang disampaikan speaker, kemudian dituliskan di dalam 2 box ini. Okay, listen.
Track 31. Listen to the class report.
Some people think pets are just fun to play with, but pets can really help us in a lot of different ways. First, pets are great because they can get us to exercise more. By walking or running around with a dog every day, well, we're moving and using our muscles. It helps us stay healthy. Second, pets help us relax, just by being with us and keeping us company. For example, playing with our cat can help us forget our problems. This is good because when we think too much about problems, we might get stressed out, and this is bad for our health. Third, by giving a pet to an elderly person, we can make that person feel happier. That's because elderly people feel lonely sometimes, and pets can be their friends. Last but not least, having pets allows us to learn about animals firsthand, not just from books or TV. Playing with them and taking care of them properly make it easier to understand them. This is useful because we have to learn about animals at school too.
Practice. Part E. Circle the correct answer using notes to guide you. And then listen again to the class report and check your answer. Jadi ada 4 pertanyaan. Silakan dijawab number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Listen.
Track 31. Listen to the class report.
Some people think pets are just fun to play with, but pets can really help us in a lot of different ways. First, pets are great because they can get us to exercise more. By walking or running around with a dog every day, well, we're moving and using our muscles. It helps us stay healthy. Second, pets help us relax just by being with us and keeping us company. For example, playing with our cat can help us forget our problems. This is good because when we think too much about problems, we might get stressed out, and this is bad for our health. Third, by giving a pet to an elderly person, we can make that person feel happier. That's because elderly people feel lonely sometimes, and pets can be their friends. Last but not least, having pets allows us to learn about animals firsthand, not just from books or TV. Playing with them and taking care of them properly make it easier to understand them. This is useful because we have to learn about animals at school too.
Now, pronunciation focus. Formal speech. Formal speech is different from informal speech. Formal speech uses a polite tone. Words are spoken very clearly. Nah, yang mana contohnya? Kita ke bagian F ya. Listen. First, pets are great because they can get us to exercise more. Listen.
Track 32. Listen.
First, pets are great because they can get us to exercise more.
Nah, pada bagian G ini, listen to the statement and circle formal or informal. Jadi tadi kalau formal itu dia use a polite tone. And then words are spoken very clearly. Jadi dia menyampaikan suatu ujaran itu sangat jelas dengan kalimat yang polite. Nah, itu bedanya dengan informal speech. Okay? Coba you dengarkan, you circle apakah dia formal atau informal. Listen.
Track 33. Listen to the statements. 1.
We can learn more about animals by seeing them at the zoo.
2.
We can learn more about animals by seeing them at the zoo.
3.
Animals are great because they're so interesting to study.
4.
Animals are great because they are so interesting to study.
Integration. Part H. Listen to the class report and take a notes on separate piece of paper, then check the correct answer. Di sini ada 3 pertanyaan. Number 1, what animals does Scott want as a pet? Kira-kira apa yang diinginkan si Scott untuk dijadikannya pet? Nah, di sini ada A, B, C, D. Silakan you cek. Nah, yang mana kira-kira yang benar? Silakan diklik. Listen.
Track 34. Listen to the class report.
My name's Scott. Let me tell you about a pet I'd like to have. It's a tiger. I'd like to have it as a pet because it looks fantastic and is so fierce. It could protect me by growling at people who are dangerous. It could also keep me warm on cold nights because it has thick fur.
Kita ke bagian I, write about the 3 classmate dream pets. Sini silahkan you tanyakan kepada 3 orang teman you saja, tuliskan namanya siapa, kemudian animalnya apa, reason kenapa dia suka misalnya kucing, suka cat, why ya, apa alasannya, kemudian how it could help them. Nah, bagaimana cara merawatnya misalnya di situ ya. Oke, how it could help them. Nah, bagaimana misalnya binatang ini bisa membantunya, atau misalnya kenapa dia suka binatang ini untuk dipeliharanya. Silahkan di sini tuliskan. Misalnya kalau kucing dipelihara untuk merelaksasi, kalau ngomong sama kucing stres hilang, misal seperti itu isinya sebagai contoh ya di kolom yang terakhir. Okay, this is the last part. Okay, J, tell the class about your classmate dream pets. Nah ini, kira-kira binatang apa yang you impikan untuk dipelihara? Pets ya, mungkin mau pelihara harimau mungkin, atau singa. Ya itu wild animal ya, bukan pets ya. Contoh ya, misalnya kira-kira binatang apa ya, dream pets yang ingin you pelihara, you ceritakan, kemudian beri alasan, kemudian how it could help them. Nah, kenapa mereka bisa membuat kita ingin memelihara mereka, kenapa, why, kan alasannya. Okay, I think that's all for today. Don't forget to do your assignment, do the best for your assignment, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe supaya tidak ketinggalan untuk materi di unit 6. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for your watching. Happy watching and happy learning. Bye, see you.